Welcome to yoga. All you'll really need is a bolster if you have one, a blanket, and some pillows. So basically just grab everything off your bed and bring it over to your practice space. And then come to take a seat on top of your prop. If you have a bolster, that's a great height. Otherwise, you might need to stack some pillows. A traditional seated position, cross your ankles, is fine. And once you're seated, sit up tall so you're not dumping into your back. And shrug your shoulders up to your ears and down your back just a couple of times, slowly unwinding. Now place your hands on your knees and pull your heart forward, lift your chin up, take a big inhale. Exhale to round your spine and tuck your chin, pulling your lower belly in. Inhale to seated cow, pull your heart forward, lift your chin up. Exhale to seated cat, round your spine, tuck your chin. Keep it going. Inhale, seated cow. Get as much movement in your spine and your chest and back as you can. Then exhale to seated cat, round your spine, tuck your chin. Press through the space between your shoulder blades. Then come back to center, sitting up tall. Interlace your hands behind your lower back. Press your knuckles away and let your shoulders roll open. And gently lower your head down from one side to the other. And explore any movement that might feel good for you here. No need to force or push. Just breathe through the gentle movements. And draw your chin back to center. Release your hands and reach your fingertips past your sides to barely touch the ground. Then just lower your right ear towards your right shoulder. You should feel a lot of sensation along the left side of your neck, left trap, left shoulder, even running down your left arm. Try closing your eyes and breathe so deep and so smooth that it's almost as if you were sending your breath right into this tension. Inhaling to inflate. Exhaling to deflate. Breathing in smooth and deep. Breathing out and tension releases. One more big breath in. And big breath out. And draw your chin back to center to switch sides. Left ear lowers down to your left shoulder. Lots of sensation along that right side. Breathe into it. Smooth and deep. Inhaling to inflate. Exhaling to deflate. Big breath in. Big breath out. One more deep inhale. And long exhale. And draw your chin back to center. For a gentle twist, place your left hand on your right knee and place your right hand behind you. And twist through your shoulders as if you were looking for someone behind you, even through your chin and gaze. And then just breathe through your back, your chest, and upper shoulders, smooth and deep, so your whole torso inflates and deflates. For 3, 2, 1. Come back to center and switch sides. Right hand to your left knee, left hand plants behind you. Turn through your shoulders, through your chin, through your gaze, breathing smooth and deep. Make sure your breath is using your entire lung capacity, not just filling up through your upper chest. Breathing like that within the postures will help you stimulate your lymphatic system, moving fluids in the body so that you might be able to heal faster. So come back to center. Now, using your hands to assist you, scoot your hips back off of your prop so that your prop is now underneath your knees. And then wiggle side to side so that you can pull your hips out from underneath you. You want to be long in your lower back instead of having it curled underneath you. And before we go anywhere, let's add eagle arms. Reach your arms forward and then cross right underneath left. Bend at the elbows and cross again at the wrists. If you need to modify, you can always hold a strap between your hands or just grab onto your shoulders. From here, soften your shoulders away from your ears. Hinge forward from your hips with your long back. Take a big inhale, press your heart forward. Then exhale, fold the rest of the way. So you can breathe into your eagle arms within this forward fold. Let your head hang heavy or even resting on your hands. And feel your breath creating space along your upper back, through your shoulders and neck. Relax your jaw. Relax your eyes. And deepen your breath simply by lengthening your exhales, creating space for deeper inhales. Almost there. And gently rise. Unravel your arms. Plant your hands behind you. Plant your feet flat on the mat. And keep your hips down as you just roll your shoulders open, lift up through your heart. Big inhale. And exhale. Then taking that fold one more time, but this time we'll switch eagle arms. Reach your arms forward and cross left under right. Bend at the elbows and cross again at the wrists. Relax your shoulders down away from your ears. Even tuck your elbows in slightly. Hinge forward from your hips. Then inhale to find even more length, lifting through your heart. Exhale to fold deep. Continue breathing smooth and deep, breathing in such a way that your whole torso inflates and deflates so much that you can feel your breath within the sensation of this pose. One last big breath in and big breath out. Gently rise, unravel your arms and plant your hands behind you, feet flat on the mat, and just roll your shoulders open as you lift up through your heart. Inhale and exhale. Now remove your prop out from underneath your legs. And I want you to place this prop behind you, going lengthwise with your mat. And place an extra pillow or two on the back of your bolster. So with your feet flat, knees bent, hips grounded, slowly lie back onto your props and adjust so that your back, your upper back, and the back of your head is supported. Then gently open your knees for butterfly legs supported by your pillows and extra blankets. If it feels good, you can just keep your hands on your stomach or on your hips. Otherwise, open up your arms so that your palms face up and your shoulders roll open. Then just close your eyes and breathe smooth and slow as your inner thighs soften and your chest melts open. and we'll be here for one more minute. If they're not already, just close your eyes. Feel your breath move through your whole body. How good it feels to lie with your chest rolling open. Your inner thighs relaxing. One more big breath in and big breath out. Use the strength of your core and even your hands if you'd like to draw your knees back together. Then using your hands, gently roll your body onto one side, off of your prop into a fetal position. And using your hands, press yourself up to seated. For the rest of the day today, instead of telling yourself, I'm sick, I'm stuffy, I'm exhausted, I'm miserable, tell yourself, I'm healing. Because your subconscious is always listening. Nourish your soul. Namaste. Make sure you go drink a very big glass of water now. Rest up, stay hydrated, and get well soon.